Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about practical geometry. Construct a quadrilateral when its 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Construct a quadrilateral when its 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Listen on example sum 5.23. Construct a quadrilateral MATH with MA 4 cm, AT 3.6 cm, TH 4.5 cm, MH 5 cm and angle A 85 degree. Also find its area. Okay, also find its area. Listen the given part. What are the values are given? MA is 4 cm, AT 3.6 cm, TH 4.5 cm, MH 5 cm and angle A is 85 degree. First of all, I will explain the construction of the problem. Listen the construction. First step, you draw a rough diagram. Step 2, draw a line segment MA 4 cm. And step 3, make angle A 85 degree. Step 4, with A as center, draw an arc of radius 3.6 cm. Let it cut the AX at T. Step 5, with M and T as centers, draw arcs of radii 5 cm and 4.5 cm respectively and let them cut at H. Step 6. Join MH and TH. Step 7. MATH is the required quadrilateral. So we use this construction, draw the diagrams. Note left side, the corner near, draw the rough diagram. Using the given measurement and complete this rough diagram. One of the quadrilateral, you draw it, label the letters MATH and write the measures and the angle. Then I will start the main diagram. Use the scale and draw the baseline MA 4 cm. 4 cm 0 to 4. Okay. Draw the baseline using the scale 4 cm. Draw it and label the letter M A 4 cm. Then using the protractor, take A as the center, make an angle 85 degree. Keep the protractor on the point A. A point and this intersecting point coincide. Keep it that like. Now you take 85 degree. So the counting is start right to left or left to right. See your baseline. A is right side, M is left side. So you start the counting left to right. Don't take right to left because the A is right side, M is left side. So here too you start the counting 0 to 85 degree. 85 degree is 80 and 90 between having one line. Okay, so you note the point here 80 and 90 in between. So mark the point using the scale, extend the line. Extend the line. This line is X. Okay, this is one of the ray. Now measure. Only we use the angle and extend the line. This is the ray. Take that ray name is X. 85 degree. Step 4. Take the compass using the scale. Measure is 3.6 cm. Take 3.6 cm using the compass. A as the center. A as the center, draw an arc of radii 3.6 centimeter. So this arc and AX-ray intersect at one of the point. The arcs intersect at the ray AX at T. Note that point T. Okay. So the ray and the arc intersect at T. Now you join M and T. Join M and T. Next step, we use the M and T as the center. Draw an arc of radii 5 cm and 4.5 cm. First you take 5 cm measure. M as the center. Draw one arc. Next take 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Then T as the center. Draw an arc of radii 4.5 centimeter. The two arcs are intersecting at one point. That point is H. Now you join all the points. Okay. M and H. Join M and H and H and T. This is the quadrilateral MATH. Write the measures 5 centimeter. This one is 4.5 centimeter. Next you find out the area of the quadrilateral. Using the sector, find out the height of the triangle MTH. So this MT line below, you keep the scale and move the sector this like. Okay. Using the dotted line and note the height. Next, find out one more height using this triangle. So keep the scale above of the line MT. Move the sector left to right. Keep this point here. Use the dotted line. This is the perpendicular line, that is the height of the triangles. Now you measure the height. See the height. Height is 3.9. The height of the line is 3.9 centimeter. Then the side. Height is 2.8. 2.8 centimeter. So using this height, find out the area of the quadrilateral. That before you find out the height of the diagonal, because you don't know the diagonal measure. So using the scale and measure the diagonal line MT. The height of the diagonal is noted 5.1 centimeter. So using these three measures, take this as height 1. Okay, height 2. H1 and H2 value. This one is diagonal value D, 5.1 centimeter. See the calculation of area. Area of the quadrilateral MATH is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Write all the measures. 1 by 2 into 5.1 into 3.9 plus 2.8 is equal to 1 by 2 into 5.1 into 3.9 plus 2.8 is, find out the addition value. 3.9 plus 2.8. 9 plus 8, 17, 1 balance, 6.7. So 6.7. 5.1 into, now you cancel this 2 number. 1 2 is 2. Here 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, 1 balance. So number is 10. 5 2s are 10. Or you find out the product after you take the division. Okay. So now we multiplied 5.1 into 3.35. One 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 5 5 are 25, 2 balance, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 1 balance, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. So 5, 8, 10, 1 balance, 7, 1. So how many digits before you take the point? Here 2 digit, here 1 digit. So totally 3 digit before you take the point. So the answer is 17.085. The unit is centimeters square. Here also you write square units. So approximate the decimal point correction value is 17.8 after 5. So 5 is, we add 1 digit, 0.9 centimeter square. This is the answer, 17.09 centimeter square. This like you complete exercise 5.4, first question, third part. Do it this question. Thank you, students.